everyone. Do you also want to speak English confidently but hesitate every time? Don't worry. Today's video will help you practice English in a fun and effective way, even if you're a beginner. You see, English is not just a language, it's a skill. It helps you express yourself, get better job opportunities, and connect with people globally. So if you can give just 5 minutes daily, you can actually become fluent over time. Remember, nobody is born fluent in English. Even native speakers make mistakes. So don't be afraid to speak. The more you practice, the faster you'll improve. So today, let's speak together, confidently, naturally, and without fear. Let's get started. Virat Kohli is not just a cricketer, he is an emotion for millions of fans. He started playing cricket when he was just a small boy with big dreams. From local matches to international stadiums, his journey was full of challenges. He lost, he struggled, he failed, but he never gave up. Every time life knocked him down, he came back stronger. With passion in his heart and fire in his eyes, he turned every criticism into motivation. He believed in hard work more than luck. He once said, "Self-belief and hard work will always earn you success." And he proved it match after match, inning after inning. From being an ordinary boy to becoming India's run machine, he showed that dreams become reality with discipline. Kohli is known for his aggression, but it's not anger, it's passion. He plays every game like it's his last. He respects the game, his opponents, and most importantly, his own journey. He once said, "I like to be myself, and I don't pretend." That honesty makes him not just a champion, but an inspiration. Today, Virat Kohli is a symbol of consistency, confidence, and courage. He inspires millions to never stop chasing their dreams. Even on his toughest days, he stands tall because he knows who he is. Success didn't come overnight. It came after years of discipline and belief. And that's what true greatness looks like. Virat Kohli's story teaches us one powerful lesson. Never stop believing in yourself. You may fall, you may fail, but you can always rise again. Speak your dreams, live your passion, and work hard in silence. One day, the world will know your name, just like Virat's. Now repeat after me. I will work hard. I will stay strong. I will never give up. If you practiced with me today, you've already taken a step toward fluency and greatness. Comment below, "I'll never give up," to show your commitment. Hit the like button if you admire Virat Kohli. And don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring English speaking practice every week. Because every legend starts with a single step. And yours starts right now.